all the brakes?
That's it. This is as far as it goes.
Let's hook them together. Can you go forward a little bit?
Hold on. Wait. Stop. Hold on. Here, right? Is the rock up there?
No.
Can you get out that way?
Not yet. He's gonna be a bit.
You guys, just let Carl switch up to that winch.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Just
Yeah, hold on.
interlace them.
Now with this fully coiled out.
It's all the way out?
Yeah.
Oh, we need to pull it in.
Coil it in a little bit.
Yeah, get your winch over there.
This is what Jeeps are for right here. Search and rescue.
Yeah. You know what? I kind of slowed down here, Carl. I was like, you got scared, goddammit. I kept going. It went too much on this side. It's okay. You can have something. Oh, okay. Well,
Right there. Yeah, they're gonna pull it.
They're gonna pull a little bit in, yeah.
let it go. Don't touch it. Don't touch the cable. I've seen the video on the YouTube.
Oh shit.
Andrew, come here. When I tell you, just switch this way.
Okay.
Okay? But you're gonna, no. Come stand here.
This side?
Yeah. Not here. Like 5 more minutes. Carl. Yeah. Pull his Marcus! Listen! I want you to pull your winch back. I want to use mine.
You sure?
Yes. At least half of it.
Okay, Carl.
Yeah.
I need to pull my winch down because I took it all the way out.
Yeah?
It needs to have some...
Yeah, that we're gonna have some tensions, yes.
Okay, loose yours so I can move back.
It's loose. Yeah, just stand by. I'll let you know. Marcus can reach the table. God damn it. Oh, can you turn the switch on the right hand side? Okay, we're good. Do is get that bike to this place until we can hit the ridge. Actually, no, the rope to the ridge will be fine.
Oh, yeah.
Rope to the ridge.
Yeah. Hey, well, hold on. Huh? Yeah. Hey, Church, his tail.
What?
You know what? I'm going to just switch up behind you.
Ah, no, it's not going to be safe.
Okay, well, here. Hey, Sergio, well, I guess it don't matter, huh?
No, it don't matter.
It don't matter.
He's gonna keep going up.
Do it. Hey, you're safe. Look, in the gear.
Take it off the...
Yeah.
Stop! He's gonna get caught on that thing.